Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely, it's the Volvo XC60, top of the range R design. It's the 2 litre D4, finished in an absolutely lovely colour. It's an off blue silver, absolutely lovely condition. The wheels, they're going to be refurbished. It's got the rear park sensors. It's just arrived into stock, so it's only a quick wash off. Twin exhausts, D4. You can see the boot area is lovely. It's got the rear parcel shelf. Inside we've got the half leather Alcantara white stitch piping, our design spec. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Again, interior's in lovely condition. It's done 92,386 miles. Fully electric windows, automatic headlights, cruise control, automatic, cup holders there, 3-stage heated seats, climate control. It's got satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats there, park distance control. The media pack, Bluetooth connectivity. It's in really nice condition. DJH, we provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.